In this lecture we'll learn about the formatting chart. So here, by clicking on format option, formatting chart, so here we can change the titles of the chart. So by double clicking on the title, so if we want to change the title and we're changing it like sales figures or sales for 2018, here 3 months, January to Jan to March, like this. So very easily we can change the title. So by this way we can format the chart. So here I am showing you that how will you move the chart. So by clicking here and dragging the chart, you can move from here to there, so anywhere you want in this worksheet.